Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Woldoff's Garage. So this one's going to start a little bit different. I'm actually editing the videos and I realized that I lost some. So today this video is going to be about installing LED fog lights and LED daytime running lights on the truck. So stay tuned and see what happens. Okay, so first on here you want to start by unplugging from the old halogen fog light, and then you'll have 3 bolts that hold this on. There'll be one right here, and then one right here. Whenever you undo those, this whole housing support will come off, and then you'll be able to pop the new one on. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one swapped out, and then I'll switch over and get that one swapped out, and then I'll be back and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so under here we got it wired up there, ran across, put some zip ties in it so it'll stay in place, and then wired up and over there. So that's for the daytime running lights, because the truck doesn't have daytime running lights. And then I took this wire, got a zip tied, run up through there, if I can, there you go, up through there. And then on this side, I've got it coming up, zip tied, ran through there into the fuse box. I've got it tied into the cigarette lighter, which is one of the ACC power fuses. That will only turn the daytime running lights on whenever it is, whenever the ignition's on. So. All right, guys, so here is what those LED fog lights look like on. This is with the fog lights, of course, and they are kind of bright, so I haven't pointed all the way down. They still have a pretty high beam pattern, so we'll see if I get a bunch of bright lights on passerbys, but we'll see. Let me show you what the daytime running lights look like. And that's what it looks like with the daytime running lights on. I think it gives it a much better appearance. It's a little bit safer, and it just kind of dresses up the front end of the truck. So, hope you guys liked. All right, that's it for today's episode of Woldoff's Garage. Go ahead and tune in next time and see what I'm up to.